Hello, right this is my 1955 Mercedes 220A, purchased in December online in Minnesota. Don't know about you, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Big long bonnet and the shape, three-dimensional shape of that grille. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, as you can see, there's some dents and some missing bits of paint here and there, and some incredibly bad patchwork, patching up of paint. Yeah, it is, as you can see, a sunroof version. I believe this is the original sunroof. Yeah, obviously a few problems here, and major problems right at the back. Yeah. Anyway, it's got some sort of decal in the past, has been on there. Original steel wheels. I do have the chrome hubcaps in my flat, having given them a wash. Step out of it and get the whole thing in the frame. I'll keep going round. There's the fuel. So I've got to put some in there later. Oh yeah, big exhaust pipe. It fell off when the car came off the transporter when it arrived. And if you I think you can look right in there. You can see that the rear bit has fallen off as well. Anyway, there's the interior, but we'll do a bit about that in a minute. Yeah, well, if you look here on the bumper, it's got a hole. There are some, I don't know, like extra bit of bumpers that go vertically here. I don't know, look like a tooth almost. I've got those in the flat, and I should be putting them on at some point as well. So yeah, and then the all-important grille. Right, shall we go inside and have a look? First thing that struck me, and the thing that made me go for this car in the first place, is this dashboard, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. That's the wood in it. Yeah, I believe that's a Chevy radio, not the original. I don't know where the original piece of wood is for that, but yeah, I think those are the original seats. That's the original seat. Obviously there's a bit of a replacement going on there on the passenger seat. Back seat, if I can open it up, yeah, musty, and obviously not original. Inside the doors here, the wood framing, oh, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, and an ashtray. Yeah, oof, I can even smell it after so many years. So it's been used. Alright, and then we go for the sun. We'll show you the sunroof. There's the rear bit with a big hole. The rest of it looks pretty okay, including the handlebar. There we go, there's the front, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Yes, it's a mess. These carpets yeah, touch damp. Ugh. Well, they'll fit properly. That's quite soft, so guess it's not steel. Anyway, yeah. And the 1970s headliner. But not, it's gonna be semi well done. Kind of fits okay. But yeah, it's very 1970s. I guess this is a curtain rail. So, right. The other thing to do is show you the boot. Got some goodies in here. Yeah, there we go. Right, we have the original September 74 plates. They're both 74s, yes. So we have an air cleaner, the air cleaner. I guess that's the original jack that came with the and then there's, I've been told, because I know nothing, that is the fuel pump. What else have we got? We've got a couple of drum brake pads used. Don't know what that is. No idea either what that is. But that, I believe, has something to do with the fuel going into the engine. And that is a license plate holder. Yeah. Even the spare wheel is still in the car. It's been used. Yes, and it's a bit soft. So, so there we go. Right. The moment of truth. I'll show you what's underneath the bonnet. Right then, bonnet opening time. So I've got to stroke this dashboard. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Yeah, ignore the rubber that's gone. Okay, right. Yeah, there we go. I don't know what that date is there. Can't really read it, but the oil's been changed. Anyway, let's open the bonnet. It's a very big pull. There we go. Click. Right. There we go. That's hard to do it one-handed. So, yeah. Obviously, the air intakes. Yeah, some repair has been done to that. The battery, correct size based on what the forums have said. There's a carb. Get the battery lead out the way. Don't bash your head on the bonnet wing. Distributor, and there's the engine with that lovely logo there. Not 1.2, 2.2 straight 6, because it's a 220. And here we go. Yeah, heating air intake again. Yeah. So it's protected by this. Looks like a rubber ball that's been opened up. Belt. I don't know if that's okay. I know the engine turns. the radiator. Spark plugs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there. Oh, that looks a bit, yeah. I'm not going to do anything at the moment. Oh yeah, look, there's some sort of serial number. And there's the carb from another angle. I shall be chucking a bit of petrol in that carb shortly. Oh yeah, the oil. Plenty of oil in that. Yes, I know I should be wiping that down before I put it back in, but I haven't got anything. Let's have a what else? So, right then. Here we go. And our situation is here. Foot on the clutch. Oh, it's depressed, fully depressed. The original labels just wiped it with a damp cloth. It says type 22A/180011. Fahrgestehennummer, I guess that means production number 5507327. And then we've got this big long number here, 18092. I don't know, probably a 15507268. Yeah, I'm sure I'll look that up at some point. Yeah. Right then, starting time. As you can see, I have attached the leads to the battery. Okay. Turn the ignition. Nothing. Push the starter button. Oh. We were at, I don't know if you noticed that, but we moved forward. We are in. Yeah, that was a starter motor pulling the car. And we have some red flashing lights on the. I think that means the engine's turning. I'm assuming that the car has been completely drained of fuel because that's how they have to be transported. Alright. I don't know. How much fuel to put in, but there's some fuel. Right, let's start it, baby. Couple of extra bits on here. I have no idea what that means. I guess there's a place called Fort Leonard Wood and it was registered there at some point in the past. I guess that's in Missouri because that's where the number plates are. Safety inspection sticker. Yeah, and then there's one of those stickers on the back as well. Oh look, there's a silencer right underneath.